Good morning to all. Good morning. Very good. Sit down. So, only that visualizing solid shapes we are continuing, no? Okay. But today, triangles chapter already which we have finished. I will do few questions of it because just for your means again you can recall about the chapter. That's why I am just doing revision of chapter 9, that is triangles. Already we have discussed about it. So everybody look me to my eye. A triangle is a closed geometrical figure bounded by 3 line segments. In triangle, 3 angles are there, 3 vertices are there, and 3 sides are there. The basic property of a triangle is the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. About the different type of triangles also I have said, that is scalene triangle. What are called scalene triangles? Mrinal, scalene triangles. The triangle in which no sides are equal. कोई साइड किसी का साथ इक्वल नहीं है. No sides are equal. That is called the scalene triangle. Acute angled triangle, the triangle in which all the angles are acute angles. Obtuse angled triangle, the triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle. Right angled triangle, the triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. Isosceles triangle, the triangle in which 2 sides are equal. Any 2 sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, the triangle in which all the sides are equal. So these are the different properties of triangles. And another properties already I have said you, that if one side of a triangle will be extended, if one side of a triangle will be extended, the exterior angle which will be formed, is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Matlab this plus this will be always equal to this. It is also another property of triangle. Now knowing all this, we have the exercise 9a. 9a, I am doing it once again. We have done it, but once again, the sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Suppose I asked you 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. If I will take 3 sides of a triangle equal to 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 6 centimeter, can I form a triangle? Yes. 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 Saraswat, yes. You are not listening and simply you are saying. I said this plus this, 3 plus 2, it is equal to 5. It is less than 6. So how it is possible? So it is not possible. Now, can I make a triangle 91 degree, 10 degree, and 90 degree? Can I make a triangle? Can I draw a triangle by taking these angles? No. Because in a triangle, maximum 1 right angle will be there. 2 right angles, it is not possible for a triangle. If 2 means obtuse angle will be there, then they will not join anywhere and they will not make a closed figure. That is a triangle. So, These are the all about, these were all about the triangle chapter. Now, after means just the end of the chapter, you have so many questions in mental maths. Mental maths, page 189. Page 189 of this triangle chapter, mental maths. Question number 1 is given. Question number 1, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:2:5, determine the angles of the triangle. So, given ratio, how much? Given ratio is equal to 2:2:5. What does it mean? It means if first angle is equal to 2x, second angle also is equal to, and third angle is equal to 5x. In terms of x, we converted the ratio in terms of x. But we know the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So, therefore, 2x plus 2x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Also you will write the theorems. Because since the sum of three angles, you must write, sum of three angles is equal to so for this reason I wrote 2x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Now you add 2x plus 2x, that is 4x. 4x plus 5x, that is equal to 9x. So 9x is equal to 180, implies x is equal to 180 by 9, that is equal to 20. So we got the value of x which we had taken for the ratio of the angles. I got x value is equal to 20. Then what will the first angle? 2 into x, that is 2 into 20, that is equal to. So, final statement, therefore, first angle is equal to 2 into 20, that is equal to 40 degree. Second angle, also 2:20, that is equal to 40 degree. Third angle is equal to 5 into 20, that is equal to 100 degree. Now you add, for your checking whether you are correct or wrong, for your confirmation, you add all this. Is it becoming 180 degree? Yes, so you are correct. Your work is correct. Your answer is correct. So, like this, when the ratio of the angles will be given, then we can find the value of the angles. Okay. Now you remember. Already, write quickly. Come on, do quick, write. Already, I have taught you about the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, it's applicable only to right angle triangles. So, just one question, which was page 189, question number 14. But just I am making a little twist to that question. Here one electric pole is there. it is a road. In two sides of the road, two electric poles are there, but one is smaller one and another is a bigger one. Suppose it is AB, one electric pole, CD, it is also one electric pole. The height of this smaller one is 3 meters. The height of this bigger one is 12 meters. Bigger one is 12 meters. AB is 12. There are two electric poles on the two sides of a road. It is a road, BD. Understanding the question? Now, there is a point in between this road. Here, this is your E. It is given that this is equal to 13 meters. And point is here, little bit here. This is your 13 meter and this one is your 5 meter. There is a point inside this road, and A is given 13 meter, C is given 5 meter. Now my question is, what is the width of this road? Width of this road means it is what we will find. What we will find? BD we will find. Width of the road means we have to find BD. Understood my question? So, first of all, you must understand the question. Then only if you will do your work, then you can reach your destination safely. First you understand the question, but the problem is you are not understanding, you are not reading properly. So this is the question. So we have to find out BD. So here you will write what are the given things you have to write. Given AB is equal to 12 meter, AE is equal to 13 meter, EC is equal to 5 meter, CD is equal to 3 meter. To find, क्या find करेंगे? To find BD is equal to how much? This we have to find. So this is the figure, and we have to find BD. Now BD is equal to BE plus BD is equal to BE plus ED. If we will find separately the length of BE and then the length of ED, then if we will add these two, we will get the total length, that is BD. Yes or no? Now, ये जो BE को पाने के लिए कौन सा ट्रायंगल को हम अप्लाई करेंगे और यूज करेंगे? ABE, right? So you will write like this: from triangle ABE, ये 90 degree दिया है, vertically पूरा. These are the vertical poles. Vertical poles, 90 degree. So from triangle ABE, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, what? B is equal to semi panda. B is equal to root over A square minus AB square. What? We have forgot. We have forgotten what? It is hypotenuse square, H square minus P square is equal to B square. You know? Yes, sir, not saying. So BE is equal to Square root of A square minus AB square. But A is given how much? So this is equal to root over 13 square minus 12 square. Now 13 square is how much? Already I have said, I had written also here all the square terms, how you will just keep it in your mind, up to 25, up to 26. If you will keep it in your mind, then you can do your work very fast. Otherwise, you will count your finger and all other things. So 169 minus 144, that is equal to 25. So this is equal to square root of 25, or that is equal to 5 meter. So we got BE is equal to 5 meter. B mil gaya, it is 5 meter. Now we have to find out ED. If to find ED, which triangle we will use? CDE. CDE, this triangle. Again by using CDE triangle and also by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the ED. So, from triangle CDE, ED is equal to square root of C square minus CD square. This CE, this is CD. So iska square minus iska square. Now C is equal to 5. 5 ka square is 25 minus 3 ka square is 9. 25 minus 9 is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to So this is equal to root over 16, or that is equal to 4 meter. So this we got 4 meter. So separately we got B is equal to 5 meter, ED is equal to 4 meter. So BD will be equal to this plus this. This value already we got. What is that? So this is equal to 5 meter plus ED is equal to 4 meter. So the distance between the two poles, distance of BD, distance of BD is equal to 9 meter. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Write quickly. Now, exactly similar question I am going to discuss with you. Exactly similar question. Plain ground, upon a plain ground, an electric pole is there, and one tower is there. Tower. One electric pole is there and one tower is there. Have you seen the tower? BSNL tower and all other towers. So one tower is there and one electric pole is there. The electric pole length, it is equal to 5 meter. The height of the electric pole is 5 meter. Wait. The height of the electric pole is 5 meter. The distance between these two is 15 meter. The distance between the electric pole and the tower is 15 meter. ठीक है? Understanding or not? And this is your 13 meter. This tower length is 13 meter. The height of the electric pole is 5 meter. The height of the tower, that is 13 meter. And the distance between the electric pole and the tower is 15 meter. My question is, what is the distance or what is the length between their tips? ये जो, what is the length between their tips? ये इलेक्ट्रिक पोल का टिप है, ये टावर का टिप है. So what is the length between these two? Understood my question? One electric pole of height 5 meter is there. One tower is 13 meter. They have stood vertically. They have stood vertically upon the ground. If the height of the electric pole is 5 meter and that of the tower is 13 meter, and if the distance between them is 15 meter, then what is the distance between their tips? So you can name it. Suppose it is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D. Now you write, given answer of this question. You wrote this question. You draw this diagram figure. So given AB is equal to 5 meter, CD is equal to 13 meter, BD is equal to 15 meter. To find AC का लेंथ कितना है वही हम निकालेंगे. Now I am asking to Siddharth Panda, give me the idea how I will do.
Sir, first draw a parallel to BD. From parallel to BD,
yes.
Then it will form a right triangle. Then by applying Pythagoras theorem, you will find AC, which is the hypotenuse of the right triangle.
Ah, good, very good, Siddharth, that's good. Saraswat, what he said, that is the correct one, no? Okay, very good. First, what you will do? First, you draw a line parallel to BD. ये BD का साथ इसी पॉइंट A पॉइंट से एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रा करो. पैरेलल, इसका साथ ये पैरेलल. ये अगर 15 है तो यहां से यहां तक कितना होगा? वही 15 मीटर. Suppose it is E. This is your point E. So BD is equal to 15 meter means AE also equal to 15 meter because it is a line parallel to the ground. Now here you see, here CD is equal to 13, but AB is equal to 5 means ED is also equal to, this is 5 means this is also 5 because same height. So this is 5, but total is 13. If CD is equal to 13, ED is equal to 5, then what is the length of CE? Simran, CD is equal to 13, ED is equal to 5, then what is CE? What you will do? Stand up and say, CD is equal to 13, look my hand. CD is equal to 13, but this is equal to 5. Then what is this? What you will do? 13 Say loudly. 13 minus 5. So why are you not saying loudly? As I am saying, I am talking. You are thinking, शायद मेरा गलती हो जाएगा, इसीलिए धीरे 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 means you are just saying. So 13 minus 5. This is total is 13. This is 5 means this is 5. So subtract it. 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. So this is your here to here 8, here to here 15. Now in this triangle you can find AC. AC is equal to 8 का square plus 15 का square का root over. So square root of 15 square, because ये hypotenuse में है. In these triangles, AC is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to square root of this one, square of this one, and the square of this one. So in that way we can find. So now I am just doing it. Sit down. First answer, what we will do? At first, draw a line. Clearly you will write. You are not writing all these statements. At first, draw a line parallel to BD as shown in figure. First you will draw the figure. Figure करके दिखाओगे और लिख देना. At first, draw a line parallel to BD as shown in figure. Now, BD is equal to AE is equal to how much? 15 meter. AB is equal to ED is equal to 5 meter. Therefore, CE is equal to CD minus ED. That is equal to 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8 meter. In triangle CEA, using Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to square root of A square plus C square. Now this is equal to, A means it is given, A means 15. So that is equal to 15 ka square minus, plus C means 8 ka square. That is equal to, it is completed?
Yes, sir.
So that is equal to square root of 15 square is how much? 225. Already I have said you how I will calculate. Acha, just a little moment, I am just taking your time. Who can say me what is the square of 75? 75 square, how much? Who can say? 75 square. What? I have not said in your class. No, sir. No. If we don't know means you have not said. Whatever you have said means that we can say. Yes, no? Means already what I have said in your class, that all the things you know. Okay, if I have not said, now I am saying. Once again, I will ask you and you will give me the answer. Look, stop your word. Now this rule is applying to those numbers whose unit place will contain 5. Unit place में 5 अगर होगा तो ये जो रूल मैं अभी कह रहा हूं ये एप्लीकेबल है. कैसे निकालोगे? 75 यहाँ यूनिट प्लेस में 5 है या नहीं? तो 5 into 5 how much? राइट इट. यहाँ जो है उसका नेक्स्ट डिजिट 7 का नेक्स्ट में क्या है? 8. 7 into 8 इंटू कर दो, कितना है? 56. लेफ्ट में लिख दो, हो गया ये. So 75 का स्क्वायर इज 5625. Understood? Sagarika, understood? Once again I am saying 75. Here unit place contains 5. So we can apply this rule. 5 means यहाँ 5 है, so 5 का एक साथ 5 एक इंटू कर दो, जो हुआ यहाँ लिख दो. लेफ्ट साइड में जो डिजिट होगा उसका नेक्स्ट डिजिट का साथ इसको इंटू कर दो. 7 into 8, ये 7 था, नेक्स्ट डिजिट इज 8, 7 into 8 is equal to 56. लेफ्ट में लिख दो, हो गया 5625. ठीक है ना? Now you Sitakhi, you say what is the square of 85? Come on, do quick, say.
5 into 5, 25.
That I don't want to listen. I want only the number, means result.
7,225.
That's good. 7,225. Good. Then yeah, you say 45 का square. 45 का square. Say. 2000. Very good. 2025. 25 तो रहेगा एवरीवेयर. 25 ये तो रहेगा. और ये जो कैसे मिला ना, ये 4, इसका नेक्स्ट डिजिट है 5, दोनों को इंटू कर दिया. 4 into 5 20, यहाँ लेफ्ट में लगा दिया, हो गया 2025. ओके, सिट डाउन. सो ओके, नाउ आई सेड दिस टेक्निक. Whenever I will ask you, you must say me. Otherwise, in front of the camera also, I will give something to you. So it is 15 ka square. Same rule we can apply here. 5 here 5 is there. So 5 into 5? 25. 1. Next digit is? 1 into 2? यहाँ लिख दिया 2. So 15 square is equal to 225. 25 ka square. Same rule we can apply. 5 into 5? Here 2 is there. Next digit is? Who is saying 4? 2, next digit is 4.
Sir, 3.
So 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Right and left. So it is 625. 25 ka square. Very easy but very difficult to remember. So 15 square is equal to 225. 8 square is equal to 64. So this is equal to root over 289. That is equal to how much, Saraswat? Root over 289.
289.
That's good, very good. So it is 17. So we got AC matlab this one. So the distance between their tips is 17 meter. Whatever I am just doing your practice inside the class, do practice properly. So therefore the distance between their tips is equal to 17 meter, and that's your answer. Understood? Okay. Write it quickly. Now the time is going to be over. So okay then. So next class, coming class also I will do. So it is the revision time for you. I will do means like this, so many questions. But this time you must do well in your exam. Okay? Only 3, how many chapters will be there? 3 chapters, no? 4 chapters. So already we have finished. A little bit is there, only 1 exercise is there. So we can finish it to 1-2 classes. And rigorous practice will be there. Okay? So you keep remember all these things and apply it. You can do better. This type of questions. Okay? Then thank you and take care and have a good day. Okay?
Thank you.